Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all will be doing well. My name is Muhammad Mehboob and I am pursuing law from Jamia Millia Islamia, and I have also cracked TS Law Set 2023 with rank 1. In this video, we will discuss most important MCQs related to GK that is very important from the point of view of TZ Law Set and AP Law Set 2025. Before proceeding ahead, I want to tell you one thing that if you are visiting first time on this video, you can visit a playlist that I have created on this YouTube channel that is related to legal aptitude, GK and current affairs. If you will visit that playlist, it will be helpful for your preparation and it will definitely help in your examination. So without wasting our time, let's discuss these questions. So the first question is, who among the following has been awarded with Bharat Ratna in 2024? Its right answer is M.S. Swaminathan, father of Green Revolution, and Chaudhry Charan Singh, former Prime Minister of India, P.V. Narasimha Rao, former Prime Minister of India, Lal Krishna Advani, former Minister of Home Affairs and Deputy Prime Minister of India, Karpuri Thakur, former Chief Minister of Bihar. So all these five personalities have been awarded Bharat Ratna in 2024. So the right answer is D. Question number two. Who is the first woman Prime Minister in the world? Its right answer is Srima Bhandar Naike. So the right answer is D. Question number three. Santosh Trophy is related to. Its right answer is football. So the right answer is B. Question number four. Which is the highest gallantry award in India? Its right answer is Parambir Chakra. So the right answer is B. Question number five. Which nation is known as Land of Thunder Dragon? Its right answer is Bhutan. So the right answer is B. Question number six. What is the status of India in UN Security Council? Its right answer is non-permanent member. So the right answer is D. Question number seven. What is the full form of RAM in computer? Its right answer is remote access memory. Excellent. One second. One second. It is wrong. One second. So what is question number seven? What is the full form of RAM in computer? Its right answer is random access memory. So the right answer is C. Question number eight. What is the theme of World Water Day 2025? Its right answer is glacier preservation. So the right answer is B. And World Water Day celebrated every year on 22nd March. And the theme of the World Water Day 2025 is glacier preservation. So the right answer is B. And World Water Day celebrated every year on 22nd March. Question number 9. The book Hindu View of Life was written by. Its right answer is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. So the right answer is C. Question number 10. World Sparrow Day is observed on. Its right answer is March 20. So the right answer is D. And uh, and the theme for World Sparrow Day 2025 is attribute attribute to nature's tiny messengers. Attribute to nature's tiny messenger. So the right answer is question number 10 is D. And the theme for World Sparrow Day 2025 is attribute to nature's tiny messenger. Question number 11. Cryptology is a study of. Its right answer is mathematics symbols. So the right answer is A. Question number 12. Green revolution relates to. Its right answer is agriculture sector. So the right answer is D. Question number 13. Who coined the term antibiotics? Its right answer is Selman Waxman. So the right answer is A. Question number 14. WWW refers to. Its right answer is World Wide Web. So the right answer is A. Question number 15. Who is the author of the children's book Delhi is Not Far? Its right answer is Ruskin Bond. So the right answer is D. Question number 16. Who is the propounder of Advaita? Its right answer is Shankaracharya. So the right answer is D. Question number 17. The Indian Red Cross Society was established in the year. Its right answer is 1920. So the right answer is B. Question number 18. Marie and Pierre Curie are associated with the element. Its right answer is iridium. So the right answer is C. Question number 19. Find out odd one from the following. Its right answer is Panchasheel, because Bible, Bhagavad Gita, and Quran, it is related to religion, but Panchasheel is not related to any particular religion. So in this, the odd one out is C. And Panchasheel is a rule, is a principles that is based on five principles that is related to the relation of India and China. So odd one out among four is Panchasheel. Question number 20. Complete the series with the suitable word from the following. So its right answer is C. D, Q, W. Because if we will see series, then D, E, F, G, H, and Q, R, S, T, U, and W. Third one, if we will see third one, W, X, Y, Z, A. So this series will fit the answer of C will fit in this series. The right answer is C. Question number 21. Which of the following is odd among others? Its right answer is invite. So the right answer is A, because all these command order dictate it gives someone order, and invite is different because it invites someone. It is invite. All this comes from same category, and it is different from all these three. So the right answer is A. Question number 22. Soldier is related to army in the same way students is related to home. Find the suitable word from the following. Its right answer is class. Such as a soldier is related to army, student is related to class. So the right answer is C. Question number 23. If down is coded FQIP, then how will width be coded? If we see the relation between down and FQYP, DOWN, FQYP, and if we will see the relation of down and FQYP with we have to follow the same procedure. So in this DEF, here is one gap, that is E. Here MOP, here is also one difference, that is P. WXY, it means there is one difference also between W and Y, that is X. NOP, that here is also a difference of one O is N and P. So this series we will follow in with. So W, there will be X, Y, I, J, K, T, because T, U, V, H, I, J. So we will see this in option. It if this is in option, that will be true. So this is given in option YKVZ in C. So the right answer is C. Question number 24. Medicine is related to patient in the same way education is related to. Its right answer is students. So the right answer is D. Question number 25. Neela Chand is a novel written by. Its right answer is Shiv Prasad Singh. So the right answer is C. Question number 26. What is a Bitcoin? Its right answer is digital currency. So the right answer is A. Question number 27. Carotene found in. Its right answer is carrot. So the right answer is A. Question number 28. Hockey was introduced in the Asian game in. Its right answer is 1958 in Tokyo. Tokyo. So the right answer is A. Question number 29. Which of the following is observed as Sports Day in every year? Its right answer is 29th August. So the right answer is A. Question number 30. Who is the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Literature? Its right answer is Rabindranath Tagore. So the right answer is C. Question number 31. What is the full form of PDF? Its right answer is Portable Document Format. So the right answer is B. Question number 32. Freedom in Exile is an autobiography of. Its right answer is Dalai Lama. So the right answer is D. Question number 33. Which movie got Oscar award in Best Pictures category in March 2025? Its right answer is Enora. So the right answer is C. Question number 34. How many bones are there in human body? Its right answer is 206. So the right answer is C. Question number 35. For which of the following Zakir Hussain is famous for his musical talent? Its right answer is tabla. So the right answer is B. Question number 36. Human Rights Day is celebrated on. Its right answer is 10th December. So the right answer is D. And the theme for 2024 is our rights, our future, uh, right now. So the theme for 2024 of Human Rights Day is our rights, our future, right now. So question number 30 is right answer is D. That is 10th December. Question number 37. What does TRP stands in television broadcasting industry? Its right answer is television rating point. So the right answer is A. Question number 38. The word Satyamev Jayate on emblem of the government of India are taken from. Its right answer is Mundaka Upanishads. So the right answer is B. Question number 39. Acrophobia means. Its right answer is fear of high places. The right answer is C. Question number 40. King Asoka belongs to which dynasty? Its right answer is Maurya dynasty. So the right answer is A. Question number 41. Which day is celebrated as United Nations Day every year? Its right answer is 24 October. So the right answer is B. Question number 42. Which one of the following is the folk dance form of Jammu and Kashmir? Its answer is Rauf. So right answer is A. Question number 43. If number is coded UNMBRE, then how will Mr. be coded? So number is coded as UNPMRE. Then how will Mr. be coded? So we will see here a pattern that there is exchange between two numbers. Places of exchange between uh, two alphabet. So in the same way, we will follow here to exchange two alphabet. The places of two. The we will change the places of two alphabet. So here it will be I. Here will be M. Here will be T. Here will be S. Here will be R. Here will be I. Because uh, in this the pattern is like this. So we will follow also in this that pattern. That is this. So the right answer is I M T S R E. So the right answer is D. So the right answer is D. Question number 43 is right answer is D. Question number 44. Hemoglobin is related to iron. In the same way, chlorophyll is related to whom? Its right answer is magnesium. So the right answer is B. Chlorophyll is related to magnesium. So the right answer is B. Question number 45. Square is related to QS, AUER. In the same way, circle will be related to whom? So we will see here a pattern between square and QS, UER. In the same way, we will see the pattern in circle. So first of all, we will see the pattern in square. SQUAR, QSAA. One second. QSAU. One second. UER. QSER. So we'll see in the same way in circle. CIRCLA. So what is the pattern in square? And QSAUER. So here there is exchange of places. Here is no place. So in the same we will follow in circle. So here will be I, here will be C, here will be C, here will be R, here will be E, here will be L. So ICCREL. So according to this pattern, the right answer is D. ICCREL. Question number 46. Environment Day is celebrated every year on. Its right answer is 5th June. So the right answer is A. And the theme for 2025 is uh, 2025 is ending plastic pollution. Ending plastic pollution. Question number 47. If stray is coded TUSBZ, then how will mon be coded? So we will see first of all a relation between stray and TUSBZ, and whatever the pattern will be in stray and TUSBZ, the same will be follow in mon. So let's see what is the pattern in stray and TUSBZ. STRAY TUSBZ MOURN. So the pattern here is ST. S के बाद T. S, and after S that is T, and T after T that is U. R, and after R there is S. A, and after A that is B. A, Y, and after Y is Z. In the same way we will follow in this. So M, after M there will be N, after O there will be P, after U there will be B, after R there will be S, after N there will be O. So this is right answer. Let's see what is in option. Where is in option? So N, P, V, S, O. So the right answer is B. So for today it was all. We will meet in next video that will be related either GK or legal aptitude. If you are visiting first time on this video, you can visit playlist that I have created on this YouTube channel. It will be helpful for your preparation, and it will definitely help in your examination. So we will meet in next video. Till thank you very much. Thank you very much.